Hello students, welcome back to Accountancy class. I am Shweta J from Commerce Department, Gopal Swami PU College, Mysuru. In last class, we had discussed about second PUC Accountancy Blueprint of 2021 and 22. And in today's session, let us discuss about the second PUC Accountancy Model Question Paper 2021 and 2022. As you all know, in your annual examination, second PUC accountancy question paper consists 5 sections. One is section A, section B, section C, section D and section E. And section A and section B consist theory based questions. So now let's see the answers for the questions of section A. The first question is not for profit organization or used for the welfare of the dash. Answer is society. Not for profit organization or used for the welfare of the society. The second question is, it is a multiple choice question. Partnership deed contains, there are 4 options here: name of the firm, name and address of the partners, profit and loss sharing ratio and all of the above. So as you all know, partnership deed contains all the above contents, that is name of the firm, name and address of the partners, profit and loss sharing ratio. So the answer is all of the above. The third question is, state any one right acquired by a newly admitted partner. Answer is right to share the assets of the partnership business. The next question is, goodwill is an intangible asset. State true or false. Yes, of course it is an intangible asset. So your answer is true. Goodwill is an intangible asset, that is true. The next is, give the formula for calculating gain ratio. Formula for calculation of the gain ratio is gain ratio equals new ratio minus old ratio. I repeat, gain ratio equals new ratio minus old ratio. The next 6th question is, accrued profit is ascertained on the following ways. And this is the multiple choice question. The first option is average profit. Second option is previous year profit. The third option is on sales, and the fourth option is all of the above. Is accrued profit is usually ascertained on the basis of 3 factors, that is average profit, previous year profit and on the basis of the sales. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is, a company is an dash person. A company is an artificial person. Answer is artificial. The next 8th question, expand DRR. The expansion for DRR is debenture redemption reserve. The 9th question is, income statement is prepared to ascertain dash. Income statement is prepared to ascertain the profit or loss of the business enterprises. This is the answer. I repeat, income statement is prepared to ascertain profit or loss of the firm. The next 10th question is, common size statements are also known as dash. It is a multiple choice question. So there are 4 options here. The first option is dynamic analysis, second option is vertical analysis, third option is horizontal analysis, the fourth option is external analysis. Answer is vertical analysis. Yes, common size statement is also known as vertical analysis. The next 11th question is, mention any one type of solvency ratio. The answer for this question is debt equity ratio or debt to capital employed ratio or proprietary ratio. Write any one for this question. And the last question is, give an example for investing activities. Answer for this question is cash payments to acquire fixed assets including intangible. It is considered as an investing activities, cash flow from investing activities. So in section A there are 12 questions, but in your examination you need to answer only 8 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So this is the answer for the questions of section A. So now let's see the answers for the questions of section B. As you all know, in section B there are 8 questions, but you are supposed to answer only for 5 questions. The first question here, state any 2 features of receipts and payments account. The 2 features of receipts and payments account are, the first one is, it does not include non-cash items like depreciation, outstanding expenses and so on. The second feature is, it includes both capital and revenue items. The third one is, it is a summary of cash book. You can write any 2 answers for this question. The next question is, name any 2 methods for calculation of interest on drawings. The 2 methods for calculation of interest on drawings are, one is product method and the second one is average period method. Here average period method is also called as shortcut method. The next question is, what is sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio means it is the ratio in which existing partners contribute to share of profit payable to a new partner or incoming partner is called as sacrifice ratio. Or you can write, sacrifice ratio is the ratio in which old partners surrender their part of share of profits to a new partner on the account of admission of a partner. Sacrifice ratio means it is the ratio in which old partners surrender their part of share of profit to a new partner on the admission of the partner. So partner admit ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ old partner ತಮ್ಮ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್. The journal entry for the transfer of profit on realization is, realization account debited to partners capital account. I repeat, realization account debited to partners capital account being profit transferred to realization account. So while answering this question, you should write journal entry along with the narration. Journal entry bardu, journal entry ಒಂದು journal entry complete ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ realization account debited to partners capital account being transfer of profit to the realization account. The next question is, mention any 2 methods of issue of shares. The 2 methods of issue of shares are issue of shares at par, issue of shares at premium and issue of shares at discount. You can write any 2 answers. The next is, state any 2 limitations of financial statements. The 2 limitations of financial statements are, the first one is aggregate information. Financial statements show only aggregate information, but it does not show detailed information. So this is the one of the limitations of financial statements. And the second limitation is no qualitative information. It means financial statement contains only monetary information but not qualitative information like industrial relations, industrial climate, labor relations or quality of work, etc. The third limitation is it does not reflect current situations. Is the value of assets and liabilities shown in financial statements do not reflect current market situation. The next question is, list any 2 techniques of financial statement analysis. The 2 techniques of financial statements are comparative statements, common size statements, trend analysis, ratio analysis or cash flow statement. So here there are 5 techniques of financial statement analysis, but you can write any 2 techniques for this question. I repeat, comparative statement, common size statement, trend analysis, ratio analysis and cash flow statement. The last question is, write any two uses of cash flow statement. The two uses of cash flow statements are, the first one is it provides information that enables the users to evaluate change in the net assets. The second is, cash flow information is useful in assessing the ability of the enterprise to generate cash and cash equivalents. These two are the uses of cash flow statement. I repeat, in this section there are 8 questions, but you are supposed to answer only 5 questions. In next session, we'll start solution for the section C. Thank you.